GPS and GNSS are often used interchangeably, but understanding the difference is critical for precision industries like GIS and drone mapping. GPS, or Global Positioning System, is a specific satellite constellation created and controlled by the United States. It provides global navigation services. GNSS, or Global Navigation Satellite System, is the umbrella term for all global positioning systems, including GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and BeiDou. Using multiple constellations increases satellite availability, improves positioning reliability, and allows for much quicker position fixes in difficult terrain. Drone mapping and GNSS technology enables high-precision data collection, producing accurate 3D models, topographic maps, and orthomosaics. Whether you're developing applications or choosing tools, reliable GNSS technology is an integral part of any modern geospatial workflow. For more information on advancing your geospatial intelligence, contact the experts at GOWGS 84 Solutions today. We're here to help you scale.